This is my another tip for beginners. In the first tip which I gave you in the video which I did previously, I said like find a method with high win rate because that is better on your psychology. This is tip number 2. If you are a beginner, try and understand that there are only 3 basic types of setups which everybody in this industry is trading. Those are breakouts, pullbacks, and anticipation. Breakouts, pullback, anticipation. A variation of these 3 things is what almost every trader who is an active trader is trading, whether they are market wizards or non-market wizards or those who have made triple digit returns, those who are not making. Everybody is trading 3 basic setups: breakout, anticipation, and pullbacks. Only thing is, everybody will use a different terminology, they will brand it differently, they will call it something else, and you might get confused. So if you are a beginner trader, try and focus on these 3 basic setups: breakouts, anticipation, and pullbacks. There are some other people who might be trading very exotic things, but it's much easier to become successful with what everybody is doing. And everybody in this industry is doing breakout, pullback, and anticipation. So if you are a beginner trader, and if I was starting all over with the hindsight experience and having studied thousands of traders and having studied all these people, I would start by making one of these methods work for me. I will try and make breakout work for me. I'll try and make a pullback work for me, or I'll try and make an anticipation method work for me. And if you can understand this thing, you're not going to spend time and effort on something which is very exotic like Elliott wave or some things like that, because those are difficult, or those people are not in the mainstream of trading. They're doing something which is like a side project kind of a thing, or they are like they are not really in the mainstream. If you look at the mainstream traders and who are making money, they are trading only 3 things: breakout, anticipation, pullback. And that will save you a lot of money and effort, because if you know that, then you know, okay, I need to make either breakout work or anticipation work or pullback or a combination of these 3 methods. So this is number 2 tip. First tip is always find a setup which is going to have a high win rate. Second tip is there are only 3 basic setups which everybody is trading: breakout, anticipation, pullback.